guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm in a Tablescape Tuesday collaboration and it's hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Her guest is Debby Bubbles. The theme is Rhapsody in Blue and the colors are shades of blue. So I did a tablescape for you. My name is Sonia and I'm Soniadownsouth, and I want to show you the tablescape design that I made for this collaboration. I've let you look around at it a little bit so you can see the full decoration on the table. But I want to tell you a little bit about it and how I came up with the idea of using this. I knew I had to do blue, Rhapsody in blue with shades of blue. So I decided to use 2 shades of blue, but I also use white. So I want you to know how this works. I always try to come up with a primary color, and in this case, my primary color is white. As you can see, I have a white runner on the table. I have white candlesticks. I have white glasses. Not white glasses, I mean white plate and bowl. And I have white flowers, roses. This is how I decided on the white. Now, white is my primary color because it's basically more white on the table than any other color. And then my secondary color is a royal blue. I used blue, a blue vase here, and it's got more royal blue in it than dark blue. I use this, and this is a little more royal blue with the glasses being royal blue. So that is my secondary color. And finally, my accent color is dark blue, or navy blue, I should say, because I use navy blue napkins, as you can see here. I put a little royal blue crystal on it. I got a navy blue vase right here, and it's totally navy blue and white. And that's my accent color, so that's all that I use for navy blue. But this is how I usually design my tables, by first thinking about the colors that I want to use, primary, secondary, and accent. And when I come up with that, then I decorate my table according to those things. So again, I want you to just look around at my table, and don't forget to go over to the other ladies' channels and watch how they decorate for Tablescape Tuesday. Oh, there is one other thing I did. I put a little of a holiday candle on here. It's just a little bit of a pumpkin, and I tried to get it in blue, but it looks like it came out with some blue and some teal looking and white, but it's still fine for the table. And this is my tablescape for Tablescape Tuesday. And here I'm going to take the decoration loose so that you can see the difference. I used a white bowl with silver trimming. I used a plate with silver trimming. I used a charger, which is clear as my glass is, and it has silver trimming around it. And I also found these very pretty placemats, and they look like oriental decoration on them. And this is what I use. And I use a clear glass and a blue glass, and I use silver on my table. I hope you enjoyed watching this. And I want to thank Anna and Debbie for allowing me to be part of this collaboration. I hope that you enjoyed watching it as much as I enjoyed doing it. And just stay with me because I'm going to turn on the candle light so you can see the difference in it if it was done at nighttime. Okay guys, here's the night version of my Tablescape Tuesday Rhapsody in Blue. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to comment, give me a thumbs up, let me know if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. May God bless you, and may God keep you. Bye-bye.